Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to activate your Google lenses. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to activate your Google Lens, all you need to do is simply have the Google Lens account in your device by installing the app itself. So to actually activate it, you need to go and search for lenses, and once you have tapped on lens, all you need to do is simply tap on search with your camera option. So once you have done this, you need to tap on open camera option again. So for this, you need to allow and give permission to take photos and videos. So once you have tapped on the shutter button to search, it will activate the Google Lens and search for the image that you have been scanning or keeping your camera phone attached to. So this is how you activate your Google Lens. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.